An accurate measurement ensures custom blinds a perfect fit. Let's do it clearly. Step 1. Ensure the window frame depth is greater than 1/2. Step 2. Confirm both two angles equal to 90 degrees. Step 3. Measure W, H, H1, H2 separately. Step 4. Ensure that H1 equals to H2 and W is twice as H minus H1. Step 5. Submit the measurements.